In a bustling lab in the city of Dimapur, Patton, the assistant, had a big task from Dr. Rio: to keep an eye on the critters and move them if it got too hot. But trouble came knocking. Flames danced from burners, and the AC snoozed off, making it sizzle hot. In a snap decision, Patton had to choose: save the critters or risk losing them. With a brave heart, Patton dashed into action, whisking the critters away to safety. With the critters safely relocated, let's delve into decision control statements in Python, much like the quick decision Patton had to make in the lab. These statements are pivotal in guiding the flow of our code. Our first stop is the if statement, the cornerstone of decision control. It allows us to execute a block of code only if a specific condition is true. Take a look. In this example, if the temperature exceeds 25 degrees Celsius, Python will execute the code inside the if block and print "it's too hot." But what if we need a backup plan? Enter the else statement. Here's how it works. If the condition in the if statement isn't met, Python gracefully falls back to the code inside the else block, printing "it's just right." Now, what if we have multiple conditions to consider? That's where elif comes into play. Consider this. Python evaluates each condition in order, printing the corresponding message based on the temperature. If none of the conditions are met, it defaults to the code inside the else block, printing "it's chilly." And there you have it, the fundamentals of decision control statements in Python. Just as Patton navigated the complexities of the lab, these statements guide us through the twists and turns of our code, ensuring we make the right choices every step of the way.